Okay, in this tutorial we're going to quickly look at adding classes and then adding those classes to your schedule in iDoceo. So open iDoceo, and the first screen that you're presented with is your classes list. So there's two ways in which I add classes to iDoceo. The traditional way would have been going into add, class, entering your class information. So first thing on a Monday morning I have my Year 13 A-level class. Select the colour for the class, so I'll hit them up with a green colour and then done. And then that class is in the classes list. So if we switch over to the schedule tab, first thing Monday morning in this box here, I can select and add, select the class from the list, the 13D TH1 class, the room I am in Computer Lab 2, and period is first period, save, and there's the class sat nicely in the available space. Now for the new method of doing it, if your school has G Suite, which is Google Apps for Education, formerly known as Google Apps for Education, this is the way you need to do that. So I'll go ahead and remove this, go back to classes and remove that class that I manually entered. So now we're going to do add, and we're going to import a class from Google Classroom this time. So at the moment iDoceo is contacting the Google server to find out the classes that I have. Now because I'm a super administrator, I see every class that's in the domain. So I'm only interested in my classes, and I've already set mine up so they're pulling through. So I'm searching for 2017 to 18 and class 13D TH1. Now, as you can see, there are currently no pupils in the class and there's no assignments in the class because I haven't set any up yet. But the class, as you can see in the top left, is present. So if we go back and go back into schedule, follow the same process again, we can click to add, select the class 2017 to 18 13D, location is lab 2, and period is period 1. Save. And that's how we add classes, and that's how we add those classes to the schedule. Hopefully once you've added all of your classes, you'll have something that looks like what I have on my screen right here. And once you've added the classes, you can go through the process again of adding those classes to your schedule, and by the time that you've added them all in, you should have something that looks relatively similar to this with all of your classes on your schedule. Now rather than going into your list of classes and then selecting a class, you can do exactly the same thing from your schedule. So say now we're on Wednesday and it's lesson 4, I can simply click on the 2017-18 Year 10 class and it'll do the exact same thing as if I did that from the summary, no not the summary, sorry, from the classes page here.